guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I thought I would do something a little bit different today and do kind of like an after work vlog, evening type vlog. I used to do these a while back. It's probably been over a year or so now, but it is after work. I have to take Connor to soccer practice tonight. He's actually got 2 soccer practices, so I'm here at the soccer fields for 2 hours, but I did put dinner in the crock pot earlier, so at least I have that figured out. But normally I do try to bring some stuff with me to work on so that I can at least be a little bit productive while I'm sitting here for 2 hours, so I'll share that with you. I'm also getting ready to leave in the morning to go to the airport, so I need to pack tonight, and it's like a 6 a.m. flight, which is the worst, which means I need to be at the airport at like 4:30, which means I need to leave at 4, which means I need to get up at like 3:30. I hate it. It's awful. So anyway, come along with me this evening, and I'm gonna try to be productive. So I brought my planner to work on. I'm gonna go ahead and look at my phone on my Outlook calendar and fill the rest of this weekend. I went back to an Erin Condren hourly vertical planner. I really like this one. This is probably the planner I've used the most consistently out of any of them. It's just, I like the vertical format, how I can plan out my days hour by hour. So I'm gonna fill this out now. Alright, so I went ahead and filled the rest of this week out. Even just the act of like writing everything down in order helps me sort of like organize my thoughts and figure out what I need to do for the rest of the week. Normally I try to do it on the weekend, but I just ran out of time yesterday. I also brought some snacks and some water, so I brought this big bottle of Nalgene water, and then this little snack pack from Aldi. I got these from Aldi too. These dill pickles are really good. And then I found a bunch of Lara bars that I had stashed in my pantry, so I'm gonna try and get those eaten up. This one is strawberry chocolate chip, which I've never tried before. Still here at practice. It's getting a little bit darker out. It's about 20 minutes left of this next one. Then we get to go home and have dinner, a late dinner.
Well, I'm done. I think I got sunburn on my nose.
You might have. It was bright out there.
What?
It was bright when we first got here.
Oh yeah, I think it might just be like a lot of sweat, but I think I got like a lot of tan from that.
A tan?
Yeah.
Your freckles come out?
What?
Your freckles?
Do I have freckles? Why did sisters come to practices?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Maybe because they're too young to stay home by themselves.
No, that kid, Cyrus's sister is probably like 12 or something, or 11.
Are you hungry for dinner?
Yes, but I know that you said I could stay up later. I don't know how long. How long can I stay up later?
You can stay up till 9 tonight.
Okay. Well, can you talk to Dad?
Yeah.
Or ask him if it's okay, and then if he says no, can you go down by 10 minutes until he says yes?
Sure.
Or when does he come upstairs?
Oh, usually not till later.
Later, I don't know what time that is.
He's supposed to be finishing dinner right now, though.
What? What if he didn't? Would you be mad at him?
No. All right, so here is the beef stew that I had in the crock pot today. You've probably already seen this in like a fall crock pot video, but it turned out really good. It's like a Spanish beef stew with roasted red peppers and paprika. And then Adam made some egg noodles, and I cut up some fruit, strawberries, and some tomatoes and things like that. So that's what we're gonna have for dinner. Alright, so I'm up here in my office feeling like a hot mess. What time is it? It is 9:15. I would love to get in bed by 10:30, let's say, because then if I wake up at 3:30, that's 5 hours of sleep. We'll see if I can get there. So right now what I'm doing is entering some numbers into this spreadsheet that I keep. I use it to keep track of all like my YouTube income, and it has been one thing that I have kept up throughout the last several years, and it has helped me so much when it comes to answering questions that my accountant asks me or whatever. I was telling you guys too that I'm terrible at like the bookkeeping accounting side of things. Like I feel like I have like enough of a grasp on it to like know what to do. I know enough about it, but I also don't have time to do like all of the bookkeeping. So I actually hired QuickBooks to do it for me, and it is like some of the best money I've ever spent, because all I have to do is like, they basically like categorize everything for me, and then I just have to go through it at the end of every month and check and make sure it's okay and that they've categorized everything correctly. It is awesome. And I also hired them to do like what they call like a cleanup of your books too. So then when it comes to tax time, all I'll have to do is pull my statements out of Quicken, give them to my accountant, and bam, done. Okay. Okay, so this is done. I'm gonna save that. I need to put these checks in the bank. Isn't it awesome that you can do that stuff on like your phone now? Fantastic, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do that. And then I also ordered a new voiceover microphone, because for when I travel, I needed something like a little bit smaller I could like have in my laptop bag with me. So I'm trying to get that set up right now so that I can take it with me, but I'm also, I also need to make sure that it works properly. Because I don't want to be stuck somewhere else and need to like do a voiceover at night and it doesn't work. So I'm gonna try and figure this out. And then I think I'm gonna go in my room and fold some laundry and start packing up my clothes. All right, so the microphone works. Hallelujah. I actually think I might like it better than the one I have now, which this one that I have now is a blue snowball. I actually bought this, oh my gosh, like when I very first started doing scrapbooking videos on YouTube, which was probably like 8 years ago. So it's done me well. It's just kind of bulky. Okay, so I need to get my stuff packed up. So I was looking for a bag. Well, and I have to say, like, after you travel frequently, you kind of figure out like what works and what doesn't. So I had this rolling laptop bag, which I really like, but it was advertised as like, you know, it fits under the seat in the plane and all that, which is a lie on some of the smaller planes. So what I have ended up using for my computers is just a regular like North Face backpack. It does have a laptop sleeve in here, but it also fits my personal laptop because I always have to take both when I travel, because obviously I need my work laptop, but then if I have to work on YouTube stuff at night at the hotel, I need my personal laptop. And so both of them actually fit really well in this backpack with chargers, mouse, you know, all of my other little electronic-y things that I have to have. And the best part of it too is that it actually fits under the seat in front of me if I need to put it there. So most of the time I just bring this backpack, I bring like a crossbody purse, and then my carry-on luggage. And I haven't really been checking any luggage, which is really nice because then you have to wait for it when you get to the airport at your destination. So yeah, I'm just gonna get my computer stuff packed up. You know, I try to do as much stuff as I can the night before, and I feel like the more you do it, the more you just know, like, these are the things I need. You don't forget anything. But still, every time I leave, I'm like, oh, what am I gonna forget this time? One time I forgot my meds, which was not good. And so, you know what I learned from that? I put a backup case of meds in my suitcase that I keep in there at all times, so I always have them. By the way, I was going to show you guys this card that Adam made me for our anniversary. Isn't this cool? It says, today we've been married for 5,475 days. And then he wrote me a message on the back. It says, Jennifer, we've had good days, bad days, tired days, busy days, happy days, and sad days, but every day spent with you is one I cherish. I wouldn't give up a single one. Happy anniversary, love, Adam. And then he bought me these earrings. They're just like white gold diamond earrings, but I needed a replacement pair after a series of unfortunate events in which one of them got lost, but that's another story for another day. But anyway, he got me these like diamond stud earrings. They're really pretty. So anyway, that's what I got, in case you were wondering about that. All right, so I've got all this laundry piled up on my bed from earlier, so I'm gonna fold this. I've got a couple of baskets to put it in right there, and then I can pack. Good morning, guys. I just got up. It's about 3:20. All right, guys, so I made it to bed by not by 10:30, but by 11, which is fine with me. 11's fine, but as you can see, I got up at what, 3:20, so I got a little over 4 hours of sleep, but I can probably sleep on the plane at some point today, so that'll be fine. I'm just making coffee. I just need to switch my purse stuff over quick to this smaller purse because I have too many items to carry on, and as long as I take this, if I need to, if they give me a hard time about carrying a purse in addition to a personal item, I can just shove it in my bag and it fits in there pretty well. Alright guys, well, I'm all ready to go. It is a little after 4 a.m. I wanted to leave at 4, but I'm leaving 10 minutes late, which is pretty much par for the course. But anyway, I wanted to thank you guys for coming along with me on this video. Maybe you can see some of the stuff that I do or get done before I get myself on the road / in the air. But thank you so much for coming along with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. There is a part 2 to this video if you want to watch my travel vlog, so that will be either here on the end screen or on my channel if you guys want to check it out. Bye.